Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to add the age verification widget to your Elementor website. It only takes 2 minutes and you don't need any specific skills to do it. First, go to Elfsight and choose the age verification widget in the menu list. Link in the description. Click Create Widget. Now let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your needs best. Click Continue with this template. Customize the age verification message, logo, and additional information to create a seamless and on-brand experience for your website visitors. Configure the minimum age, verification method, visitor tracking, underage actions, and display settings to ensure your age verification process is effective and user-friendly. Customize the chat widget's appearance, including colors, fonts, and backgrounds, to perfectly match your website's design and create a visually appealing experience for your visitors. Click Add to Website to get the embed code for your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. It's free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget you just created. Click on the code to copy it and go to your Elementor admin panel. In your Elementor editor, add an HTML widget to your page, then paste the widget code into it. Now let's add the widget to your Elementor website. If you want to embed it on a specific page, open Pages, choose the one you want and click Edit with Elementor. Find the HTML element in the sidebar, drag it to the page, and paste your widget code into the HTML code box. Or, if you prefer a floating widget that appears site-wide, you can add the code to your site's global footer or use a header/footer plugin. Once added, click Publish, refresh your website, and your Google Reviews widget is live. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.